Alright, so here's a trane heat pump and 2 Lennox heat pumps. It's really cold out, so I'm going to make this quick. Lennox, compressor. Model number HP222613P. Can't read the serial number. This one's in defrost right now. This one's frozen out. Model number HP21511.5P, serial number 5897D25945. Trane, it's an XR12 from around 2005 or 2006. The model number and serial number are hard to get on this thing, so. But here is Lennox again. This Lennox is about to go into defrost. I can see that. But this one is defrosting. This one takes forever to stop defrosting, so I'm probably not going to take this for the full defrost cycle, but here's that one running, that one running, that one